Boosting your Behance project can help increase visibility and attract more viewers to your work. Here are effective strategies to enhance your project's reach. Optimize project title and description. Use clear and descriptive titles that capture the essence of your project. Include relevant keywords in your project description to improve searchability. Use high-quality images. Upload high-resolution images to showcase your work effectively. Eye-catching visuals are more likely to engage viewers. Leverage tags. Add relevant text to your project. Tags help categorize your work and make it easier for users to discover your project in searches. Share on social media. Promote your Behance project on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Use engaging captions and hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage with the community. Interact with other Behance users by liking and commenting on their projects. Engaging with the community can encourage reciprocity and increase your visibility. Join relevant groups. Participate in Behance groups related to your field. Sharing your project within these groups can attract targeted viewers. Update regularly. Keep your portfolio fresh by regularly updating your projects or adding new ones. This can signal to viewers that you are active and engaged.